The smartphone industry has evolved a lot during the recent years. Companies are coming up with their latest models every now and then. Competition has given the users some really cool features and innovative products like foldables, high refresh rate displays, powerful chipsets, and advanced camera features. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Catering to photography enthusiasts, gamers, and everyday users in the same manner, these phones are setting new standards for smartphones. Here, we've brought the trending phones of 2025 that are gaining their place in the tech world with AI features, sleek design, and fast connectivity. On number 5, we have OnePlus 13T 5G, which is a blend of style and speed, featuring a crisp AMOLED display, a refined alert slider, and Oxygen OS 15. Not only this, it comes with fast charging and polished software. Due to these specs, it's made it to the fan favorite list among Android users this year. Next in line is the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. It offers unbeatable value to its users with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 144Hz AMOLED display, and 120-watt fast charging. It's quite budget-friendly and has earned praise for delivering flagship features at a lower cost as compared to its rival. The third spot is covered by Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro 5G. What does it bring to the table? Well, Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro 5G has a unique design with interchangeable back covers, an Android experience, and 5G connectivity are the reasons it's in the top 3. Only 2 spots are left without any mention of iPhones. Well, on number 2, we have Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max with slightly larger display, titanium edges, and the A18 Bionic chip with enhanced AI capabilities. It's already a fan favorite of iPhone fans. Not only this, its improved periscope zoom and spatial video recording make it ideal for creators as well. The top place is secured by Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra remained in the lead with its refined titanium body, 200-megapixel quad camera system, and Galaxy AI features. It also offers stunning visuals, long battery life, and powerful performance to become a top favorite for productivity and mobile photography fans. That was our list. Which one's your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.